Clearly, na-disappoint pa rin po kayo, no? When you look back, was there anything you would have done differently?
Is there anything I would have done differently? That was the most I can do. The only way I would be able to thwart or to stop the motion to dismiss is to come up with a higher motion, a higher precedence motion, which I did. And we had to debate that. And while we were debating that, I was able to infuse what I thought was wrong with the perception of some of the senators and why they should not follow a wrong decision. It gave me a chance to do that.
Sir, follow ko yun. You were saying ito sa higher motion eh. I kept hearing that or something along those lines during the August 6 debate na parang the motion to table takes precedence over other motions. Is that correct? Is that the way it goes?
Yeah, yes. The precedence of motions in the rules of parliamentary rules and even in the rules of the Senate itself. The number one motion that cannot be debated is a motion to adjourn. You either vote or not. Number two is a motion for recess. And then 3, 4 others. Fifth sa presidents yung yung motion to lay on the table. And a privilege motion or a motion on the floor has very low precedence.
SP, nagpasalamat ba sa inyo si Senator
Looking on the
Marcoleta?
bright side, sa tingin niyo ba kasi hindi naman mukhang masaya yung mga kabila rin eh. Sa tingin niyo, small victory din to na hindi siya na-dismiss outright?
Perhaps, yes, to a certain extent. But sa akin kasi the important thing is that we were able to lay it out, to lay out what we wanted to say, what I wanted to say, and some of the members of the minority. So it gave us a chance to do that. Yes, you could consider it a small victory. And I think they themselves, the members of the majority, were not too keen on the dismissal afterwards. Kasi biglang, di ba, pumayag sila sa archive imbis na dismissal. And they were trying to convince me na pumayag na rin ako sa archive. Kami nila Senator Lacson, Tiberos, Bam and Kiko. They were trying to convince us na pwede na yun. Pero sa akin kasi, I just wanted to make sure that when we say archive, it's like, we can bring it back anytime. I just wanted them to say it on the floor. And I think 1 or 2 of them said so during their voting. Kasi ang pinakadelikado sa archive, merong mga ibang meaning ng archive na nilibing
Yes.
Pag nilibing yun, paano nag-MR ang Yun ang pinakamabigat na question na hindi ako masagot Paano gagawin natin kung ang motion for reconsideration binagbigyan ng Supreme Court at nag-reverse?
Iba rin talaga.
Dinismiss na natin. Di mukha tayong tanga. Hindi ba? Yun ang importante doon Because, again, I will say this once again. I am not about, my stand is not about Vice President Sara. My stand is the preservation of the Constitution and the parliamentary rules and procedures.
Ronald?
Well, sabi ko nga kanina, SP, na nagpasalamat ba sa inyo si Senator Marcoleta dahil parang marami siyang natutunan sa inyo tungkol sa rules ng Senate. At meron din kayong mga kinorek sa kanya together with Senator Ping Lacson. Sabi nga ni Senator Ping Lacson, medyo hilaw yung interpretasyon ni Senator Marcoleta dun sa kanyang binanggit. Kaya, seriously, sabi ko, nagpasalamat ba sa inyo? Ang tanong ko sana, SP, ay hindi kayo abogado pero nung nagsalita kayo at nag-intervene noong August 6, parang batikan kayong abogado. Nagbabasa ba kayo ng mga law books? Nag-aaral ba kayo ng mga ganyan? Pero
Yes.
impressive
Oo naman. Hindi naman kailangan maging abogado ka para ma-master mo yung parliamentary rules and procedures At saka yung 28 years ko sa legislation masahol pa sa kumuha ako ng 5 taon ng law at saka pumasa sa bar.
Pero sir, I hope you don't mind. Pero alam mo ng mga tao, di ko by first impressions and a lot of some of them would say na yan si Tito Sen one ball university yan.
Well, on the lighter side, dalas ito, biro ko nung araw ito marami sa mga kasama namin na nagbayad sila para pumasok sa eskwelahan sa law school Ako, binayaran ako para pumasok sa One Ball University.
Sir, balikan ko lang yung issue ng archives. Kasi the impression I'm getting is that parang walang concrete meaning or fixed meaning or definition ng archive sa rules. Kasi parang kayo, nangangamba kayo kung ano ibig sabihin. That's why you're trying to get commitments from the other senators na hindi to dead in the water.
Wala naman talaga. It's not part of the rules, di ba?
Tsaka nabanggit yung SP na archive is tantamount to dismissal No? Nabanggit nyo rin yun yung August 6.
Oo. Merong interpretasyon na gano'n kaya nakakatakot Kaya hindi pa rin ako pumayag Kahit sinabi nila na pwede na archive na lang. Na para pwede, basta siniguro ko na pwedeng bunutin. Pwedeng bunutin Pagka sinabi ng Supreme Court na nagre-reverse sila.